Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Sonia Gandhi asks for report on Goa situation. Brar to arrive in Goa. Cabinet on a crucial CLP meet on Wednesday. Congress divided on leadership issue. Environmentalists want illegal mines closed. Demand continuation of legal mines as it is bread and butter for Goans and revenue generator for government. Azharuddin Mohammed from Porvorim attempts suicide. Reason: harassment from a police officer. Mother of Azharuddin names PI Devendra Gard. Force appeals parents to boycott classes on 30th September. Protest against delay in implementing English as medium of instruction. SHG's technical consultants not worried about deadline. Shashi Prabhu and associates are still extensively studying floodlight designs. And stop foreigners from playing in the Goa Pro League, says Armando Colasso. India interim coach feels 3+1 foreigners rule will hamper development of Goan football. Now the news in detail. The political scene in Goa is heating up with Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar arriving in Goa and UPA President Sonia Gandhi seeking detailed report on illegal mining. A crucial cabinet meet is scheduled on Wednesday noon. Congress party has also called a special CLP meet to discuss the volatile situation in the state.
Jagmeet Singh Brar preponed his visit by 2 days on the backdrop of illegal mining hullabaloo in the state. He was supposed to come down on 30th September to induct Rajesh Patnekar into the Congress party. But he will arrive on Wednesday morning. He will meet all Congress legislators on Wednesday, including the Chief Minister, who is in the eye of the storm. Sources say he has been asked to submit a report on political situation in the case and consequences if Congress decides to go for a heavy political crackdown. Although the leadership change talk has intensified in the capital city, the man who is being looked upon as the prime contender for the top post, Pratap Singh Rane, has refuted all possibilities.
अशी तुमच्याकडे ऑफर आयली मुख्यमंत्री जावपा जाल्यार तुमची कितें स्टँड आसतलो?
म्हाका दिसना अशें कितें जातालें. म्हाका दिसना कितें आसा उगीच आरोप केले प्रति आरोप केले आनी ताका लागून निष्कर्श काडप हें बरोबर न्हू.
National media has reported that Congress High Command has asked for a report on the entire chaotic episode in Goa. Some of the media organizations have also reported that Congress may send a team to Goa to probe into the matter. Sources also say that Sonia Gandhi had a crucial meeting with Brar late on Tuesday evening. Importantly, cabinet meeting is scheduled on Wednesday. Congress officials have revealed that Congress Legislature Party meet is called on Wednesday evening, keeping in mind volatile situation in the party. This is the second CLP within last 8 days. Congress activists say that there are two groups within the party on leadership issue. General Secretary of the party, Sudhakar Reddy, is also expected to be in Goa on Wednesday. Both these meetings have attained importance as they will be held with Brar and Reddy in Goa. With bureau inputs, Laukik Shilkar and Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent Media.
Renowned social activists in the state have cited that while illegal mining should be stopped in Goa, legal mining should continue without any hassle. Majority of the state revenue is dependent on mining. Thousands of families earn their bread and butter through this business.
Illegal mining has become a hot topic in Goa. The issue has gained more importance as Justice Shah Commission is investigating into it. Many social activists are pursuing this issue. They have opined that illegal mining should be stopped, but legal mines should be allowed to operate without any problem.
हांव अजिबातूच म्हणना की ज्यो लिगली वॅलीड लिजीस आसा त्यो खणी बंद करपाच्यो अशें हांवें खंयच म्हणूंक ना. कारण आमकां जेन्ना आमी औद्योगीकरण म्हणटा, आमकां कारखाने जाय, आमकां सगळ्यो गजाली यंत्रां जाय, हें सगळें जेन्ना जाय आमकां, तेन्ना ह्यो ज्यो कायदेशीर ज्यो खाणी आसा जेंच्या कडेन अधिकृत अशे परवाने आसा ह्या सगळ्या खाणींक चलोवंक दिले म्हणून आमचो तांकां विरोध ना, पूण ज्यो बेकायदेशीर खणी चलतात त्यो सरकारान ताबडतोब बंद करपाक जाय ही आमची मागणी आसा.
Ramesh Gauss, another renowned social activist, has expressed that it will be not feasible for government to crack down on the whole mining trade as it is economically and politically a sensitive issue.
डिपेंडंटांची संख्या वाढत गेल्या. उदाहरणार्थ कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर, ट्रक ड्रायव्हर, ट्रक ओनर हेंची संख्या जी खेड्यापेडान वाडलेली आसा तेंचेर राज्य सरकाराक कारवाई करपाचे कसलेच हिम्मत आसना, कारण त्याच्यामुळे राज्य सरकारचेर बुमरँग जातले.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar will be submitting Public Accounts Committee report in the forthcoming assembly session. Justice Shah Commission is expected to come out 2 weeks after that. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
One of the youths from Porvorim, Azharuddin Muhammad, tried committing suicide after he was allegedly harassed by a police inspector rank officer of the Goa police. He is being treated at Kampal Clinic for the past 4 days. He is in the ICU. His mother has accused Porvorim PI Devendra Gad of harassment.
Now he has improved, पूण ती सायकोलॉजिकल मातशें ताका इफेक्ट जालोच जाला हाका लागून कित्याक तें कॉन्स्टंट हॅरसमेंट बाय पुलीस एज he has told you also.
Brother of Nasaruddin had filed a complaint against Venkatesh Prabhu Moni at Porvorim police station 2 years back. He had complained of assault by Moni. He was a minor at that time. Porvorim police should have lodged a complaint under the Children's Act, but police failed to do so. Instead, PI of Porvorim, Devendra Gad, allegedly pressurized the mother of Nasaruddin to withdraw the case. However, when mother refused to do so, Gad filed a chapter case against both her sons. But later, he withdrew the case to save himself when the case went before the magistrate.
म्हाका फक्त न्याय जाय. म्हज्या भुरग्यांनी कितें केलें तांचे चॅप्टर केस घातला. आयज म्हजो चेडो असो सुसायड करून पावलो, PI ताका हॅरेसमेंट करता. तुमची हात धुवपाक तुमी चॅप्टर केस घालता आनी तुमची स्कीन वाचोवपाक तुमी चॅप्टर केस क्लोजूय करता. म्हळ्यार न्याय सगळे गार्डाच्या हातीनूच दिला.
We spoke to Prabhu Moni. He refused the claims. Moreover, he said that there are various complaints against the DO.
आता ती म्हजेर बेजार आसा कित्याक हांव त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक सपोर्ट करता म्हणून. सो द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हॅज गॉन टू द कोर्ट आनी तो कोर्टांतल्यान कितें जस्टीस मागता. ताका ती भाडे बिडे कांय दिना. तुम्ही जाल्यार त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचो स्टेटमेंट घेवं शकता. आनी हांव असो केन्ना ल्हान भुरग्याचे हात बीत घालपी तसलो मनीस न्ही.
We also spoke with the owner of the flat, Hanuman Subedar. He has a different story to tell. He says that he had rented his flat to Farida with an agreement of 11 months. However, Farida paid rent of only 7 months. Farida was served a notice to pay the outstandings, but she appealed before the court. Moreover, this flat is hypothecated to a finance company. Farida has also filed a complaint against the finance company.
अरे मेरा फ्लैट है, खाली करो. तुम मेरे को बच्चे लोग का शादी करता है, मैं मेरे को मांगता है बोल के. मैं इसको बोलेगा तो रिक्वेस्ट बहुत किया, तुम आना है नहीं. तुम मेरे को लेटर भेजा ना, मैं तुम कोर्ट में जाओ. मेरे को ऐसा धमकी डाल.
However, Gad refused to comment over this matter. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.